been inside the whole day, kind of in and out, doing things and packing up shit because I have to move and I don't have a house. So yeah, that's going to be interesting. And you're in my plant right now, and I've realized that maybe it's time to adapt the van life earlier than I thought, but also I don't have the money for that right now. But yeah, Amsterdam is insane, and I really don't understand why people... No, actually, I do understand why it's so expensive, and I do understand that you can't do anything, but it's just really crazy, especially in September. There's like, yeah, it's insane. So because I've only been like doing kind of administrative shit today, I thought I will go to there's like a forest thing here and take my scooter. But I'm really tired, but it's really warm, so I figured it might be nice. Yeah, and I want to bring you guys along, so... But I'm also indecisive, but yeah. I've just realized that I filmed my whole face, like just filmed inside my face, but that's okay. Also, I bought this blue nail polish and I think it's very cool, but look at the difference of color. Like, I was blonde, so then I dyed it and now it's just faded so much, but I like it. This was a solid transition, probably, maybe not, I don't know, but this is the fit. It's just a vest I bought while traveling, and I kept my top under it because I don't really want to close it, so I'm not half naked. And these are like just really vintage old weird shorts. And the lighting is amazing. I have a headache, but I'm happy about the sun. Oh yeah, and these are my earrings. I love them. They are like Rochelle from New Zealand, and this is my stone that I bought in Barcelona. Yeah. Oh, and I have this butterfly tattoo which is healing beautifully, so it's also amazing. And considering the fact that you guys don't know me, and probably no one's gonna watch this, but hey, there you go, updates. See me or hear me. I hope that it's recording with my AirPods, otherwise I'm fucked. But it is so beautiful here, and I only saw one other person, and I wish I could swim in it, but it looks disgusting but beautiful. It's so quiet. So I've realized that when you have something that you need to solve, for me it's finding a house, which is really like crucial because it's about where you live and how your future is going to be. It doesn't really help to overthink it, and I do have to do a lot of searching for it, but it's also really important too. I can hear someone talk, so I'm being a bit like... Anyways, it's important to take time and be in nature also. That's what I've realized. And I've realized I'm more scared of humans than nature, but I guess that's nothing new. Okay, so it's a day after the next day. I worked yesterday the whole day, and I forgot to end the vlog because I just came home and I was really tired. And I just hung out with my roommates, I think. I can't remember. So this video is going to be called Should I Move into a Van? And I've been house hunting the whole past month in Amsterdam. September is like the worst month to move, so I really don't know why I decided to leave this apartment, because I didn't necessarily have to, but those are just the choices you make, and now I have to deal with it. And if anyone has ever lived near Amsterdam or in Amsterdam, they know it's basically impossible to live in Amsterdam because the housing situation is so bad, and I want to graduate in college and then move into a van. So I figured, why not do it now? Because, yeah, I mean, I'm already in need of a place to live, so. But I decided not to do that. I think it's a little bit hard to live in a van full time while you're studying and staying in the same place. So it's not like I can just leave when it gets really cold, or I don't know. And I also don't have the money at the moment, like I said in the beginning. But Amsterdam is really, really tough. So hopefully I will find something. I will move to my friend for a little bit, and then I'm on vacation for a week, so that gives me more time to find something. But it's so crazy to me that we all move in one place, but there's no space. I don't know. It's just weird. Yeah, it's just weird. Anyways, I just went to the grocery store, and now I'm house hunting and watching Grey's Anatomy. But yeah, times of uncertainty really make you have to be grounded within yourself so that you don't go crazy. And I think that's the best thing I will take out of it, is not letting that stir me up internally. So not making decisions based on an emotion that I've had, or I don't know. But yeah, this was my third vlog, I think. and I'm having a lot more fun the more I do like filming it and editing. I'm really tired. This month has been rough. This month has been rough. Anywho, hope to see you in the next video. Cheers.